Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Dear students, myself R.S. Goswami from KGK Higher Secondary School. Today I am going to teach you economics of standard 12 and chapter number 8, agriculture. In last lecture I explained condition of agriculture in India and importance of agriculture in Indian economy. Now, today our topic is causes of low productivity in agriculture. Student, India is known as agrarian country. The main occupation of Indian people is agriculture. Still, there is low productivity in agriculture. At the time of independence, we hadn't enough food grain, and that's why we imported food grains from other countries. It was shameful for us. We are agrarian country and still we imported the food grains. Because there are so many reasons for low productivity in agriculture. We here see one by one what are the reasons. First one is the institutional factors. And in institutional factors, first is the land revenue collection system. At the time of British, there were so many land revenue systems, Rayatwari, Malwari, different kind of the revenue collected by the Nawabs and Britishers. On that time, the Nawabs or the kings collected the revenue from the farmers. But after that, British East India Company ruled over India and they decided to collect the revenue. So, the revenue was fixed. Out of total production, suppose the 50% you paid as a land revenue. And that's why there is a question in the mind of the farmers. If we paid 50% of the revenue of our total production, then what we have? So most of the income of the farmer went to paying the land revenue. So they hadn't the interest to increase the production in agriculture because most of the income they had paid as a land revenue. So they had less income, and that's why there wasn't any interest to increase the production. Obviously, whatever our income the government takes more than 50% as a tax, then we have not interested to increase our income. Same way as a farmer. Earlier, the Britishers collected 50% as a tax revenue or land revenue. So the farmers are not ready to increase the production. Same way present time also. Because of the reason the farmers are less interested in the agriculture to increase the production. Now after that, second one, agriculture finance. In earlier time, the financial facility to the farmers were very less. On that time, most of the farmers took the finance or the loan directly through the landlords, relatives, friends. So they got more interest. Indian farmers are very poor, and because of that they haven't the enough income. By that they can use different kind of the fertilizers or improved seeds. So they need financial help. But in India, less development of financial services, especially in the rural area. In the rural area, the financiers are sahukar, landlord, relatives, friends, and they always charges high rate of interest. And that's why the farmers who take the loan pay more and more interest. And that's why they are not able to use different kind of the technologies, fertilizers, pesticides, because of lack of income. And that's why the productivity is less. In the rural area, very less facility of the finance, just like the bank facility. And that's why the farmers who need finance for agriculture always contact to the sahukar or the landlords or the relatives or friends, and all these take high rate of interest and exploit farmers. So the farmer hasn't the interest to take the loan at the higher rate and use the technology in agriculture, because the most of the income goes to pay the interest. So in India, the less agriculture finance, still the branches of the banks in urban area or in cities, not in the rural areas or villages. So the farmers, whenever they require financial help, they contact to the friends, sahukar, landlords. Now the third one, agriculture marketing. The market facility still less near the villages or near the rural area. At the time of harvesting, the supply of production of agriculture increase at a time, and because of that the price goes down. The traders, the businessmen purchase the product of farmers at the lower rate, because all the farmers are ready to sell their product. because season is there. And because of season, supply increase, and at the low of supply, when supply increase, price decrease. Because at a time or the same time, most of the farmers are ready to sell their product. Why? Because of there is not a facility to store the supply. Second thing, the farmers bring their product in the market by using the transport. So transport cost is also there. If the price is less, then farmers are not ready to take the crops or product again at home, because transport cost is there. So here, because of less information regarding the market, regarding the price, and because of that, the farmers are ready to sell their product to the agents, to the traders, to the businessmen at the cheaper rate or the lower rate. And because of that, their income less. Sometimes, whatever they invest, they can't get the return at the same amount. For example, present time, lemon in the market, 2 rupees or 3 rupees per lemon. But the farmer only gets 2 rupees or 3 rupees per kg. So farmers sell their product at the lower rate, and the traders and the businessmen get the benefit after selling at higher rate. So here, because of lack of information regarding the market system, the farmer get less amount of their product, and because of that, the income of the farmer decrease. So they are not ready to increase the production in agriculture. Now the next one, rural social structure. As you know, Indian farmer is poor and illiterate. There is a tradition, orthodox, they believe in blind faith. So they are not ready to use the scientific method in agriculture to increase the production. First, they are illiterate. Second, they are poor. And because of their social background is backward, they believe in blind faith. Indian farmers are fatalist. So they can't fight with the nature. And because of that, the production is low. So here, main thing is social structure. Because of less education, their knowledge is less. Information about the technology is nothing. They believe in faith. And so for any reason, if the production is less, they can't think about that. They accept because they believe in faith. They are fatalist, orthodox. Their background, social background is very backward, and that's why they are not able to use the scientific method in agriculture fields. So students, these are the institutional factors for causes of low productivity in agriculture. First one, land revenue collection system, agriculture finance, agriculture marketing, and rural social structure. Second one, technological factor. In technological factor, we see the farmer are illiterate, poor, so they always use old method in agriculture. They still work with bullock and plough, not tractor, because of poverty. So, by old method, they do the agriculture work, and because of that, the production is less. Then, traditional seeds. Because of poverty, the farmers do not use improved seeds or hybrid seeds. They use traditional seeds. That means the production of last year, some part of that they use as a seeds, whose productivity is less. They are not able to use the hybrid seeds or improved seeds. And because of that, the productivity of the traditional seed is less, and that's why the productivity in agriculture is low. After that, cow dung as a manure. They can't use chemical fertilizers because of poverty, because of illiteracy. They haven't the idea how to use. And because of poverty, they are not able to use the chemical fertilizers. So they use traditional manure, which productivity is low. And that's why the production is less. After that, less proportion of pesticides. According to one opinion, 10 to 15% out of total crop wasted because of insecticide. Different kind of the insecticide problems. Because the farmers are not able to use the insecticide or pesticide. Because of less education, they haven't the knowledge how to use. Second thing, in the market, availability is not proper. So because of all these technological factors, the production in agriculture is less. Old method, that means the farmer use traditional method. They use bullock, plough, then normal machinery or local machinery, and because of that the production is less. Then old traditional seeds, use traditional seeds. Then as a manure, cow dung as manure they use. And then less proportion of pesticides used in agriculture. So all these factors affect the production in agriculture. So friend, two things. One is the institutional factor, second is the technological factors. In institutional, land revenue collection system, second agriculture finance, third agriculture marketing, fourth rural social structure. And in technological factors, old method, traditional seeds, cow dung as a manure, less proportion of pesticide. Third is others. We will see in next lecture. Thank you very much.